Do you find that your email notifications in Google Calendar actually just don't appear when you really want them to? Well, don't worry, you can change them. While the default's 30 minutes, you can change that and add additional reminders, whatever suits you. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer trainer, here sharing tips and tricks for your everyday software to make life just that little bit easier. So here I am in my Google Calendar, and you can see over here on the left hand side I've got the different calendars that are available to me, and as I hover over my main one with my name on, I've got the three dots, and when I click on that, the options, and I'm going to select the second one down, settings and sharing. Don't forget you can always scroll up and down, but I'm going to be a little bit sneaky and use the settings pane on the left hand side. And what I'm looking for is event notifications. It simply scrolls me straight down. Oh look, here is my standard notification of 30 minutes. Well, honestly, I'm a bit of an Outlook girl and their default is 15, so I'd much rather it was that. I can simply just change it, select the time, change it, and of course if I want to change the different options I can do that as well. As soon as I click away, that's going to save my settings and I'm all done. But before I go, what if 15 minutes, well, the first one just isn't enough? Maybe I want 15 minutes to be the second one. We can actually add additional notifications. You can see I've got the button right here, add notifications. That gives me another one lower down the list, and you can see it's the same list. I can have a notification or I can have an email. So maybe you want an email notification. I can have that minutes, hours, days or weeks, so again whatever suits me. So let's say I actually need an email notification an hour before. Now the order that you've got your notifications here actually is quite important. The first one is going to become the default, and whatever I've set up is actually the default for all of my events that I create in the calendar. So just bear that in mind, that this is actually quite important. I've set this all up. I'm going to click on the arrow in the top left hand corner next to settings to go back to my calendar, and let's have a quick look. Let's create a new event, and you can see as I set this up, so let's add the title, test event, and if I go into the reminder, I can set the reminders up. There at the bottom, it's slightly hidden. So as I click on that, the option at the bottom, and expands that and gives me more options. So it's which calendar, and you can see there's my 15 minutes before and my 1 hour before as email. If I save that, obviously it's not really going to go off particularly usefully, but it's in there. So that's option number one, is that I can change the default settings for all of my events that I create going forward in my calendar. My second option is I can actually add or edit the notifications for the specific one. So again, I can fill all the details in. I'm going to click at the bottom to see the details. If I don't want, for example, the hour notification as an email, I can take that off just for this appointment. I can also add a notification and say 5 minutes before, for example. You'll notice the main difference here is that I've got, first off, a bunch of options, then I've got custom at the bottom, so I can go and set it specifically. I'm going to cancel that and just leave that. So we can set our default notifications either to come up or as emails for all upcoming events, new ones that we create, or we can change them for individual events as we need to. If you found this video useful, please do give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to my channel to be notified as new videos are posted. I'll see you next time.